In this video, I'll show you how to use Todorant. First, log into your account. The list of to-dos looks empty now. Let's create our first task. Notice how we have to add a date or a month to every to-do. This way, you will always know how busy you are at any day and when exactly will things be done. Make sure to keep all tasks short and actionable. Don't add tasks like cook a tasty meal. Instead, add find soup recipe, buy all soup ingredients, and cook the soup following the recipe. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it right away and add it as completed. This will enforce a positive feedback loop in your brain. The first thing to do at the beginning of every day is to plan. Can you handle everything? Move the tasks that cannot be dealt with today. Move any tasks left undone from the previous days. Try not to look at the planning section after you finished planning your day. Focus on just the current section. It will help you free the brain. Current only contains one task at a time. You already planned everything, so trust your process. If you don't want to complete a certain task, mark it a frog. Todorant will make you complete frogs first thing every day when you have the most willpower left. You can skip a task, but try not to do so too often. If the current task is too high level, then break it down into a list of subtasks. As soon as you break it down, the original task will be marked as completed. Add links and hashtags to add important information and sort the tasks into a project-like system. Rearrange the list of to-dos to prioritize and order the tasks. Make sure to read the full list of rules at some point to get the most out of Todorant. Join our Telegram support group or contact us via email to get your questions answered. I wish you good luck with the productivity journey ahead. Excited to see you in the Todorant family.